Welcome to my channel Historic Knowledge. History tells us that wars begins because of power, money or ideology. But sometimes history turns on something much smaller. A wrong decision, a single human mistake. In 1914, one small error, so ordinary it could happen to anyone. Triggered a chain of events that killed over 16 billion people and reshaped the entire world. This is the story of how one mistake started World War I. In 1914, Europe was already extremely tense. Powerful empires were competing for power, forming alliances and preparing for war. The entire continent was like a loaded gun just waiting for a single spark. That spark came on June 28, 1914 in the city of Sarajevo. Archduke Franz Ferdinand, the heir to the Austro-Hungarian Empire, was visiting the city. Nationalist groups had planned to assassinate him, but the first attempt failed. Archduke survived. Later that day, he decided to visit the wounded at a hospital. But due to poor communication, the driver was never informed about the change of route. The driver took a wrong turn into a quiet street and stopped the car to turn back. Seeing the car stop in front of him, he fired two shots, killing the Archduke and his wife. Austria-Hungary blamed Serbia and declared war. Russia joined in, Germany, France, and Britain followed. And just like that, World War I had begun. The war killed over 16 million people, destroyed empires, and reshaped the world forever. And it all started because of one wrong turn, one small mistake that changed history forever.